Alright, so you've got your new X450 Aviator and you're really excited, but one of the things you're probably going to notice straight up is that the stickers underneath here don't seem to stick very well to the plane. These stickers don't really like this foam. So what can we do about it? This is my second one, so I know what to expect, and to be honest, I still managed to cock up this, and I'll explain how I've done that and how you're not going to do it, because you'll know better than I did. So the magic bit of stuff we need is this sort of plasticky cloth tape here, and this is transparent. I really like that. And so our goal is to put enough of this tape through here so that the sticker can stick to the top of the tape. The stickers love this tape, the back of the tape here. Now the other thing I like about the tape is that it's very strong and very, very protective, and in fact it covers these wires here and gives it a lot of protection, way more I feel than these crummy stickers would have given. So alternatively to having the stickers, maybe you don't want the steering gear sticker on there, you can get rid of those altogether and just have the tape underneath doing all the protection. In hindsight, I probably could have brought that tape up further on here and given these wires here more protection. So there you go, that's what you do. You carefully lift off these, you work out where they're sitting, and so you know where to put them back, and carefully take them off. As I said, put enough of this tape in here so that you've got a good adhesion for the stickers. So there you go. Once you got the tape on and you put your stickers back on, you're right to go. They won't fall off after that, and you'll have better protection for your aircraft underneath.